Let's synchronize.
Hey guys, Umoto Lifestyle here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming back here to watch my videos and your sweet comments. I love them so much. Guys, today's video is very interesting. As you know, Christmas is around the corner. But wait, here in the US and Canada, before Christmas, we have to celebrate Thanksgiving first, okay? Thanksgiving here is celebrated in November, towards the end of November 7th. So we have to have a Thanksgiving get together where families come together and enjoy a meal to kind of commemorate the harvesting of the whole year. People celebrate in different ways. There are those people who do it Christian way, where people go to church and they pray and sing and eat together. And some people, other people come as a family members in one of the family members' home or in the hall, or anywhere you can choose to celebrate your harvest or Thanksgiving. But the main dish they have here, you cannot celebrate Thanksgiving if you don't have a turkey. Do you know what a turkey is? A turkey is a bird. It's not a chicken, but it's a bird. It's called a turkey. It's so huge. And the reason why they choose this turkey is because, you know, when family members come together, we are so many in the family, and the chicken is not going to be enough. So they chose the turkey because the turkey actually is so huge. It's a huge meat, okay? So it's like a bunch of people can just eat one turkey and just leave it alone, okay? So that was the main reason why they chose to celebrate by using a turkey, okay? But wait a minute. So, in my family, we are going to celebrate Thanksgiving. And we allocated each and every member what they're gonna bring. But my assignment was to bring some side dish. So you can have the main dish is a turkey, but you are going to have a side dish. So, I know it's too late. I'm coming from work. I'm so tired and it's too late. But I need to go to the store and grab my side dish so that I don't fail people on Thanksgiving. So, but I thought, wait a minute. I want to go with you guys because I love taking you, because this channel is about a motor lifestyle. Everything I do, you have to know. So I'm going shopping, food shopping, or you can call it grocery shopping. It depends on where you come from, okay? So here in America, we call it grocery shopping. So I want to take you guys, so we go to one of the stores and check around and look around and see what we are going to find as our side dish to celebrate our Thanksgiving. Guys, without further ado, let's go. It's like, look at that. This is a mess. This is the main dish before you can have anything else. Oh, actually, there was another gravy type, so I need this type. Let me see. You see? Here, people celebrate Christmas. And they have different types of bread. You can decide to have this. This is a bakery rolls bread, but I decided to use those sweet ones because the kids love these ones. Guys, they have different kinds of gravy. This is beef gravy, and the other one is turkey gravy. So, but I guess I'm gonna take turkey because we're eating turkey. Maybe I may take both. Let me take both. Let me take beef and turkey. Yeah. So they can go choose. Let's keep shopping. I need this minced meat. Let's go this way. Guys, as you can see, people are in the mood of shopping here. Okay, this is how turkey looks. This is the turkey pot. If you want to cook pot turkey, this is the pot, and then you measure the temperature of the turkey, and this is how the turkey looks like. This is the pot, and they sell it for $49, and people are buying it, you know, because it's a big deal. And they have another one there they call roaster oven. You can roast it or bake it. Okay? See, they have, what is this? They have this, this is where what you mix when you cooking blend organic solid for turkey. Wow. Pork chill. This is more turkey here. Guys, turkey everywhere. And if you want roasted turkey, which is already roasted, but this is the injector for the turkey. This one is everything you need. This, they call this injector, injectable butter and albino. When you're cooking your turkey, you have to have this so that you can inject. So I'm not the one doing that. I'm glad like one of my family members is doing that, and it's $4. See? So let me show you this roaster, how it looks like. Guys, I tell you, we have so many here. We're squeezing. This is the aroma roaster. Look at it. This is what you use to roast the turkey. Let's go this way because we have so many. Oh, guys. Let's go in here. Oh. Let's keep going. There's something I'm looking for. My goodness, you see all this? I am in a bread section. Let's go the other side, guys. There's so many people here. Let me get my list so that I don't forget. Wait, let's go here. I like green beans, but I don't use the ones in a can. I want the fresh ones, so I may go down there and grab the fresh ones. It's something I'm looking for that I'm not getting. Oh, let's go here. We have baking. The spices are here. This is how we're gonna have our turkey. Look at that. This is how I wanna make mine. So holiday spice. We're gonna have, this is turkey, this is mashed potato with the gravy and the green beans. So look at that. And these are all the spices. I think I need this. Onion, turmeric. How much are they? How many is this? Turmeric. And also I need curry powder. Yes, I have black pepper. So all the things you need are here. Let's keep going. Oh my, everything's here. These are the Armenian Roy kitchen. You use this to bake. I have a lot of them but I'm not the one who's baking turkey. But I need the other serving plates. Let's go get the serving plates. Oh, this is what I was looking for. Apple seasons stuffing. This is what we need. We have to have stuffing, okay? So I think I need 2 of this. We have to have this. The stuffing. Let me see. They have the one for cornbread. Oh, see, that's a huge turkey up there. You see? A huge turkey. Cornbread classic stuffing. So I don't know. We're gonna take this one, I think. Type of plastic. Sorry. Yeah. We're gonna take this white and wheat bread. No. Let me take this. Let me take this one. This one, I need to take actually 2. 2 of them. What kind of bread is this? Starving seasoned. So they have different rolls here, guys. I'm telling you. Here in the US, people eat. They have even this. They call it the apple seasoned. This is another kind. So this one, it looks like it's fried but dried. So let's keep going. We have more seasons here. Let's go all the way. Guys, I'm sorry. Guys, we have to have these drinks. I love to buy these drinks because they non-alcohol. They're not alcohol. They're non-alcohol. So that means even the children can drink it. So they are $3.99 each. But I would like to buy. It's a champagne, okay? So this is a sparkling white grape. It's a non-alcohol. See? So I'm gonna buy this for family members. So I'm gonna buy this one as well. These are sparkling red grape, non-alcohol. So this one even the children can drink it. So I think I need more than two because we're many. So they have freezer bag for packing. Also I need the, let me see, I need the, guys, it's cold, really freezing, and there's so many people here. Oh my goodness, I need those plates. Let me see. Look at this. These are the trays they used to bake the turkey. So when you're going to cook your turkey, it's gonna look like that. This is how you want a plate to look like. You see? This is what we're looking for. Sorry. Like, there's so many people, and it's only $9. And there they are. The trays are down here. Non-stick metal roaster with a rack. Alright, these are all the chips. Let me see. Guys, I need to buy these plates. I don't know if they're, I need to buy a whole bunch of them because, yeah, we can buy this. Let's take these ones because the kids are going to eat. So guys, you can see here, it's a mixture of Christmas. These are what? These are popcorns. They're in here. They're containers actually. I thought it was popcorn in here, but they're containers. Like empty containers. Those people consume alcohol is up here. But I don't go there. Let's go this way. Let's go this way and see what they actually have. Wow. I wanted to show you something. They have something here they call look at this. Look at this. They say Texans come here for low prices. This is a ham. Let me show you how it looks like. It's a smoked ham. If you don't eat turkey, you can have a ham. It's frozen, or you can just choose to have a ham and turkey, okay? But for me, we don't need a ham at this point. But people are buying it, and they're buying it huge. So that is really good. Another thing, I need these foam cups. I think I need these cups. These ones, we need it as well. We are not many here, but we want to have a good time. Let's go this way. Let me show you something here. This turkey here is already cooked, but it's frozen. So if you don't want to buy the huge one, or your family members are not many, you can come here and get a smoked turkey like this one and go actually warm it and you guys eat. But it's $6.78. So for example, we didn't want to cook the whole turkey. You were one family or 2 people or 3 people. You could as well come here and grab a baked turkey. Let me show you how it looks like in a closer. This is how it looks like. Amazing, amazing. And it's $3.49 a piece, so you can have that. They used to have a turkey leg, but I don't see turkey leg this time. I see a wings, turkey wing. I don't see turkey leg. And this is a frozen smoked pork for those ones who eat pork. You know, people are grabbing stuff here, so it's a serious shopping. So if you don't want to cook mashed potato or macaroni, they have ready ones here. You can come here. Macaroni and cheese is already baked. All you have to do is go warm it, and they pack it so good. And they have gravy, turkey gravy here. Look, it's $4.98. They have grandberry sauce. It's here, really nice. You can just grab it here. And they have cooked mashed potato, which is ready to go. So you can grab this one and go serve instead of cooking. So actually I'm thinking of buying this one. This one, I need to buy this because it's ready to go. So all you have to do, go warm it. So I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna take a shortcut. So I'm buying this one for everybody. So that will take care of it. And I have this one, but I need to add something else. And actually guys, this one is what? This is brown gravy. Remember the gravy that I bought was this one here? This one? Yeah. But you can decide to buy this one, small one, if you're not many. So it's right here. So everything. And if you all want a snack, you know, a gathering like this, some people like to eat cheese and a salami, you can buy this one right here. See? So this is Fiesta pack, natural flavor sodas. For those ones who love it, they can grab it from here. But there's one thing I'm looking for. I'm thinking like I need to buy this cranberry sauce. Yeah, this one here. I feel like I need this one. So let's keep going. Oh guys, I have my list. Guys, it's freezing here. So I found my car. I need to put everything in the car. So I'll see you in the car. Oh my goodness guys, I'm telling you, it's so cold out here. My nose is leaking. Literally my head is freezing. Well, we're done with our Thanksgiving shopping. So the next video you're gonna see is the video where we were cooking everything and family and everything. Guys, make sure you subscribe, you share, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you know when I'm popping another video. I know it's getting dark, that's why you can't really see me very well. It's getting a 7. So we need to go home. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.